We operate here in the county. It's the second largest county in the state when we assist all 33 municipalities. It's very busy in the way that we integrate with them, allowing them to see what we see, building the situational awareness, being able to be a force multiplier, and in turn help them be more effective, safe, and efficient.
I believe this 429 has been the most beneficial to our agency through its versatility. It's increased our abilities to respond to many situations, day and night, both onshore and offshore, whether it be hoisting or various other tactical work. Starting with our MX-15 Westcam camera system, it's been a game changer, so we are able to go to higher altitudes and greater standoff distances to use this for surveillance, video, and infrared. And we are able to downlink this live to our other units in patrol, street teams, narcotics, so that we can get units to converge on locations rapidly without much delay.
A lot of what we do is assisting fellow deputies. We had a vehicle chase. The suspect was shooting out of the vehicle and then ended up crashing into a deputy head-on. We landed and actually transported him to the hospital. We were able to get him to the hospital within about 4 minutes.
So the Bell 429 has provided us a lot of great expanded functionality and more simple systems for the pilot to do, plus the redundancies of the dual engine, dual hydraulics allow us a greater degree of safety.
As the infrastructure of the county grows, roadways being more congested, for us to be able to respond with the speed that we can and with the tools that we have available to us on the aircraft you can't put a price on it. It's effectively can save people's lives. Ultimately, what our crews do really is a positive impact to the county, to the citizens, and to our deputies.